Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Hope everyone will be happy with their families. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Get ready for new and outclass crocheting design. Today's video is all about crochet baby hats. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your kids' crochet hats. First of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also so that you can find all new videos notifications. Crocheting a baby hat can be a fun, rewarding project offering a variety of benefits both for the maker and the receptionist. Here are some benefits of crocheting a baby hat we would like to discuss with you. First and the main one is personalized gift. You can create a unique custom design, color and style that suits the baby or the parents' preferences. Soft and comfortable. Crocheted baby hats are often made with soft yarn that are gentle on a baby's delicate skin. Warmth. A crocheted baby hat helps keep the baby's head warm, which is essential for newborns who struggle to regulate body temperature. Skill building. Crocheting a baby hat enhances your crochet skills and can introduce new techniques like working in a round using different stitches and adding embellishments. Stress relief. The repetitive nature of crochet can be therapeutic, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Budget friendly. Making your own baby hats is often more affordable than buying them, especially when purchasing yarn in bulk. Thoughtful handmade gift. A handmade item carries sentimental value and shows the thought and care put into making something special for a baby. Quick project. Baby hats are small, which makes them a relatively quick project, allowing you to finish in a short amount of time. Crochet outlet. Crocheting allows for creative expression through color combination, pattern, embellishment like bows, flowers, or pom-poms. Eco-friendly. Handmade baby hats can be made from eco-friendly, natural yarns, reducing the reliance on mass-produced synthetic garments. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Perfect for learning. Beginners can easily start with simple baby hat patterns, making it a great first project for new crocheters. Bonding opportunity. If you are making the hat as a gift for a loved one, it can become a way to bond and share the joy of crafting. Durability. Crochet stitches are sturdy, so your body hat can last through multiple wears and washes, especially if made with durable yarn. Seasonal flexibility. You can crochet a hat for any season, light, airy hats for summer or cozy, thicker hat for winter months. Great for baby photos. A cute handmade crochet hat can be a charming accessory for newborn photo shoots. Custom fit. You can make a hat that fits the body's head perfectly, unlike store-bought hats that may be too tight or loose. Memory keeping. A handmade body hat can become keepsake, a reminder for a special time in child's life. Improve coordination. Crocheting enhances fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and dexterity as you manipulate yarn and hooks. Makes great charity donations. Crocheted baby hats can be donated to hospitals, orphans, or shelters, providing warmth to babies in need. Low cost material. Baby hats can be made with relatively inexpensive yarn, making it a cost-effective project for people on a budget. Skill to gift. Once you master crochet, you can continue gifting handmade hats to friends and family members, spreading the love of crafting. Comforting. Babies tend to feel comforted by soft and snuggle things. A crochet hat can help a baby feel cozy and secure. With the happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Keep in touch with our channel. Take care. Bye bye.